Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ciera Michelle. Today we're just gonna do a summer ready, like everyday glam, easy, affordable drugstore makeup look. So if you want to see me beat my face, keep watching. First step in this tutorial is going to be applying the concealer. Now, if you are not new to the makeup game, like if you do makeup and you watch tutorials, like you know, like the basic how to beat your face. So we're not even going to be doing all the details and stuff like that. I just want y'all to really get a foundation routine down pat. Like once you know how to do your eyebrows and you actually take your time and do your makeup, I feel like your makeup turns out better. And this was one of the better days that I've had of applying my makeup. Like when I do my makeup fast, I be looking a hot mess. My eyebrows don't be matching and it just be all over the place. So I have to stress the importance of really taking your time. Like as a woman, when you take your time, or man, I'm not going to, but as a human, taking your time doing your makeup is just so therapeutic to me. I've been using Black Radiance for the absolute longest and I hit pan on it. So I'm gonna have to, when I get new summer makeup, I'm gonna have to get a bunch of Black Radiance products and really try those out, review them, and like just use them every day because I absolutely love this freaking eyeshadow. I have about 3 of the Shop Des P lashes. So far I think she's about the only lash company I'll be buying from other than CVS. Why? Because I like her. I buy from influencers that engage with me, influencers that are real, influencers that are just genuine, real people. I see a young entrepreneur, I'm gonna support you. And not just because you are someone with 1 million followers. You have to be like an influencer who is just genuinely supporting people that support you, and just like, I don't know. So I like her, I vibe with her, so I'm gonna support her and buy her stuff. And I would advise that you buy her stuff too, because I mean she's a young entrepreneur. Like look at the packaging. Look at the packaging. Like she put work into this, so I appreciate it. And we're just gonna go in with the Duo Lash Glue. So I went ahead and applied the eyebrows, and then I went ahead and put the concealer on my eyelids and put some, like, I guess you can call this the sculpting powder in the Black Radiance palette. I put that all over my eyes, and this is really like a natural color. It's almost like skin color on me, so it's like a glam everyday beats, not doing too much. This is my first time using this, so this is what I'm gonna do. And this is what you should do if you're ever like trying something for the first time and you don't want to get too irritated. I'm gonna not only apply this to the strip of my lash, but also to the eyelashes that I'm applying, so it'll be like double working. So I'm terrible at explaining things, but basically when you apply that eyelash glue to your lid, it makes it so much easier for the eyelashes to stay in place, and it really holds them down and secures them. And that is exactly what it did. Like this eyelash glue is strong, and I love a clear eyelash glue because it really doesn't leave any marks and mistakes, because if you like me, I make mistakes all the time. So I went ahead and started talking on this video because I really just need to get used to talking to the camera again. Like I feel like me being gone from YouTube for about 2 weeks now, it's new for me. Like I haven't taken this long of a break since I've been doing it like on a routine weekly. At least I give you guys 1 video a week. If I do like ghost, I always pre-film, and if I'm gonna be gone for like a while, I'll pre-film and then I'll give you 1 video a week. But I just was gone for like a minute, and I was going doing my little military training. If you don't know, I'm in the Army, so that was cool. Except I came back home because I thought my apartment was flooding, but all is well, and I'm moving forward. All I want to do is chase a bag. I just want to really elevate myself this year. I don't want to come back like next year. I don't want to be in the same predicament. I don't want to be in the same financial space. apartment. Like, I don't want anything to be the same. Like, I really want to level up. So everything I'm doing, I'm just trying to level up. I need to level up, as well as my civilian job, just level up. Because I do security and I'm a security supervisor. It's nothing like fancy. I don't know if y'all knew that or not. Okay, so as you kind of can see, the glue is drying up, and I'm gonna go ahead and, although I just applied this and it could wait a little more, I'm gonna just go ahead and apply this to my eyelid because it's getting tacky. So watch me work. I got the eyelash on. It's super duper the most. Like, if you gonna wear eyelashes, like, I started off wearing natural eyelashes. Now I be really glamming it up. And this is not even a 25mm. Like, honey, we can take it there. I have to tell y'all that the secret to really getting like a flawless foundation, like super beat everyday look, is actually if you have a like drugstore makeup like this. I love Maybelline Fit Me, but sometimes I found that applying your makeup with 2 different layers makes it so flawless and just like bulletproof as far as sweat and stuff. And Maybelline Fit Me did something new with their formula, so it really does make your skin and your foundation matte. But before I get into my foundation, I want to go into this BH Cosmetics palette right here. I'm gonna go ahead and use this pinkish red color, and I'm gonna put that all over my little mustache so we can kind of conceal that a little more. Can you guys please leave in the comment section what type of, rather you use a beauty blender or a foundation brush? How do you apply your foundation? Because I'm still like trying to perfect that. I'm not a professional. I'm like learning as I go, but I don't know. I'm outgrowing the beauty blender stage. So let me know what you guys use. So we're not done here. This is a flawless foundation finish right now, and it's actually drying right now. But what we're gonna do is let it dry a little more, and then we're gonna put another layer on this. So it's gonna all come out. Trust the process. It's gonna turn out right. For this foundation routine, it's based on what your preference is. Right now I'm trying to go for a full like everyday like beat. So if you don't want to look like plastic, like you know somebody wearing makeup, don't put it on. But honey, I'm trying to look like, yeah, I'm wearing makeup and I'm that chick, like, period. Just in case you were wondering, I buy all my brushes pretty much from BH Cosmetics. You can buy you a whole brush set. Like, all my brushes that you're seeing in this video are from BH Cosmetics, and my subtotal was $20, and that's with an eyeshadow palette, so they are so affordable. I'm just gonna continue to use that little it's called French Toast in the BH Cosmetics. It's my Ray Ray palette. French Toast, I'm using this color to really bronze up my face all over. I'm gonna put it like on my high bone. What is this called right here? So yeah, I'm gonna use this color like everywhere I want to highlight. So it's gonna be kind of like a bronzy tan kind of look. Nothing too, you know, nothing hard. Anybody can literally do this if you just have the freaking patience. And I mean anybody. So next I'm just gonna use this L'Oreal eyeshadow. It's called Voluminous Lash Paradise. I kind of like it. It kind of feels like high-end, but I'm gonna just apply this to my lower lashes. So now I'm just gonna take a highlighter color, which is just gonna be, again, this brown color, this like French toast color. I'm gonna take this and put it in my tear ducts, and on top of that I'm gonna take a lighter color and put that on top of there. But first I'm gonna try it with this and blend it out and see how I like it. So I think lastly what I'm gonna go ahead and do is apply a little lip gloss. I feel like eyebrows, eyelashes, and lip gloss can really be a look. But if you want to do a minimal look, that'll be a quick little beat. Definitely when you got juicy lips, like. Now this is a butter gloss by NYX. I'm just gonna put a little of this, just a little of it. So I kind of want my lips to be a little brownish. So thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. As always, stay dope, stay beautiful, and I'll see you on my next upload. Peace.